Muhammad Rafi. I came from Andhra, Guntur, and I heard about this institution. One of my friend he has completed IGC successfully here, and I came here to complete the Nebosh class. And after joining here, I came to know is here Sarvanan sir he is giving very nice, good and good notes and about the Nebosh, and he's explaining very nice about the Nebosh. And really, I was surprised after listening to his classes. Really, it's wonderful thing to say this. It's very helpful to complete me this Nebosh classes. And personally, I refer all the guys to join this institution to complete their Nebosh. And damn sure I can give the guarantee that persons they can complete their Nebosh course a single attempt itself. Like this here they are giving the notes and they are giving the training here, and classes are really superb, and it's classes where when we are listening to the classes we are feeling that we are just they are showing this everything in our picture, in front of picture, like that it is there. So that's what you no need to worry about the Nebosh classes. Nebosh means you can like just like that you can complete your Nebosh here. This much guarantee, and me and my batch guys they have successfully completed the Nebosh in single attempt itself. That's what I used to refer in everyone, and my friends also they are preferring this institution to complete their Nebosh, and I hope so. Persons they will come and they will join safety professional institution, the best India's best institution, a safety professional institution. I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you very much.